Muscle growth explained in 5 minutes. Your muscles are tearing apart right now. And that's exactly what needs to happen for them to grow bigger and stronger. Most people think lifting weights directly builds muscle. But the truth is far more fascinating. What really happens inside your body during muscle growth is a complex biological process that begins with controlled damage and ends with you becoming stronger than before. The breakdown phase: when you lift a weight, you're creating microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This isn't injury. It's mechanical tension. Your muscle cells detect this stress and send out a distress signal. Think of it like pulling apart a rope strand by strand. Each representative creates more of these micro tears, especially during the lowering phase of each exercise. The repair response. Here's where the magic happens. Your body interprets these tears as a threat. Satellite cells, which are like muscle stem cells, rush to the damaged area. They fuse with your existing muscle fibers and donate their nuclei. More nuclei means more protein production. More protein means bigger, stronger muscle fibers. The growth factors, but mechanical tension isn't working alone. Your body releases growth factors and hormones. Testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factor flood your system. These act like construction managers, directing the repair and growth process. They tell your muscles to not just repair, but to build back bigger and stronger so the same weight won't cause as much damage next time. The nutrition connection. None of this happens without fuel. Protein provides the amino acids that become the building blocks of new muscle tissue. Your body breaks down dietary protein into amino acids, then reassembles them into muscle protein. Without adequate protein, your body can't complete the repair process. It's like having construction workers show up without any bricks. The rest factor, growth, doesn't happen in the gym. It happens when you rest. During sleep, your body enters peak recovery mode. Growth hormone levels spike. Your body shifts resources toward repair and construction. This is why sleep and rest days aren't optional. They're when your muscles actually grow. Muscle growth is your body's adaptation to stress. You create the damage through training. You provide the building materials through nutrition. You allow the construction through rest. Master these 3 elements, and you'll transform microscopic tears into visible gains. The process is simple, but it demands consistency, patience, and respect for your body's natural timeline.